Dr. T. Genie here in a fine pickle. Diablo, who promised to cure me with a special potion, has actually turned me into a miniature dreadnought. But Celine is here. She's cast a spell on him. Hopefully, I'll be able to return to class, my normal self, on Monday. Well, now today, this video, you will learn how to factor using the greatest common factor. In the previous video, you learned how to find the GCF. Now we're going to actually put that knowledge to some use. And before we get started, I just want to thank Skip Tyler and all the folks up in Henry County, Virginia for this wonderful PowerPoint. First of all, what is the GCF of 25a squared and 15a? This should be just a little bit of a review for you. Why don't you go ahead and see if you can pull out the GCF, and I'll wait. Okay, so you probably understood that the greatest common factor here is 5a. With 5a out, what we can do is take this and just dance a little further along. We take our factor, we find the GCF, and then we're going to divide each of those expressions by the GCF. So 25a squared plus 15a is going to equal 5a, which is our GCF, times 25a squared divided by 5a, which is 5a, and 15a divided by 5a, which is 3. Now you can check your answer by distributing, and you'll find that you get 25a squared plus 15a when you multiply the terms by 5a. Now try factoring 18x squared and 12x cubed. Of course, the first thing you have to do is find the GCF, and that would be 6x squared. Now we're going to divide each term by the GCF. So pause the video here and give this a try and see if you can't divide the terms by the GCF and come up with the right answer. Okay, I'm sure most of you wrote it down this way, 18x squared divided by 6x squared, and that's going to give you 3. And then you had 12x cubed divided by 6x squared, which is going to result in 2x. Now check by distributing.
My name is Zach, and after early college, I'm going to go to Duke. I'll probably become a teacher.
Now this time we're going to factor 28a squared b plus 56abc squared. The greatest common factor is 28ab. And then we're going to divide each term by the GCF. So when we divide 28a squared b by 28ab, we're left with a. And when we divide 56abc squared by 28b, we end up with 2c squared. Now check your answer by distributing. And we get 28ab times a plus 2c squared. And we get the correct answer. Now try this one on your own, and just go ahead and pause the video and see if you can work this one through. Okay, let's see. I'm hoping that you got answer number 4. If you didn't, work the problem again, and if you still can't find a way to get it done, make sure you see me first thing in class tomorrow, or whatever day it is next I see you. Okay, now let's factor a trinomial, 28a squared plus 21b minus 35b squared c squared. Why don't you pause the video and see if you can find the GCF, and I'll wait here. Alright, I'm sure that you found that the GCF for this trinomial is 7. So in order to set up the equation, we're going to divide each term by the GCF of 7. So we're going to divide 28a squared by 7, which gives us 4a squared. We're going to divide 21b by 7, which will give us 3b. And we're going to divide 35b squared c squared by 7, and of course that gives us 5b squared c squared. Now you can check your answer by distributing, and of course you're going to find out that you're going to get the correct answer. Now give this one a try, pause the video, and I'll be here when you hit play. Okay, hopefully you got answer number 3. If you didn't, try it again. And if on a second try you still don't get it, make sure you see me when you come to class. That's all I've got for you today. Hopefully Celine and Diablo will have me back and ready for action the next time I see you in the algebra class.